Hello everyone, welcome to Lossy Crochet Designer, and today we are going to learn how to crochet a symbol-less skirt, and we are going to use this color of yarn. You will need a crochet hook. I'm going to use 4.5 millimeter and a pair of scissors. Let's start. Remember, it's a symbol summer skirt. You will need to start with a chain, and I'm going to make a chain of 100 because I'm making a small size. Start making a chain. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Continue and have a chain of over 100. This one is 50, so I'm going to work off camera up to 100. Then let's meet there and see how to join our chain. Let's meet there. I have 100 chains. Now I'm going to strengthen my chain. Start strengthening your chain because it should be straight. Like this. Now it's time to insert your hook in the first loop or first chain and make a slip stitch. Make a slip stitch like this. Now here I'm going to chain 4. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to count 3 chain here, then I skip them. This 1, 2, 3. In the fourth one, I'm going to make a single crochet like this. Chain 1, chain 2, 3, and 4. Here I'm going to skip 3. This 1, 2, 3. Then make a single crochet. Chain 1, 2, 3, and 4. Skip 3 on our chain here. This 1, 2, 3. In the fourth one, make a single stitch. Chain 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then you'll skip 3. This 1, 2, 3, and make a single stitch. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip 3 chain. This 1, 2, 3. In the fourth one, you're going to make single here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Skip 3. This 1, 2, 3. In the fourth one, you'll make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. In the fourth one, make a single crochet. You will continue like this up to here, and we will know what next when we reach here. Our work now should look like this, and we are going to make a slip stitch. Make another slip stitch in this space. Now chain 1, 2, 3, yarn over, make 1 double crochet like that. Chain 1, 2, yarn over. In this space we are going to make 2 double crochets. This is 1 and 2. Chain 1, 2. In this space we are going to make 2 double crochets. This 1 and 2. Chain 1, 2. In this space we are going to make 2 double crochets. Chain 1, 2. In the next space we are going to make 2 double crochets. This 1 and 2. Chain 1, 2. In the next space make 2 double crochets. This 1 and 2. Chain 1, 2. In the next space make 2 double crochets. Chain 1, 2. In the next one make 2 double crochets. Chain 1, 2. Next space make 2 double crochets. Chain 1, 2. Next space make 2 double crochets. Chain 1, 2. Next space make 2 double crochets. Chain 1, 2. In the next one make 2 double crochets. Chain 1, 2. The next one make 2 double crochets. Chain 1, 2. The next one make 2 double crochets. Chain 2. Next make 2 double crochets. Chain 1, 2. The next one make 2 double crochets. Chain 1, 2. The next one make 2 double crochets. Chain 2, make 2 double crochets. Make 2 chain, then the next space you'll make 2 double crochets. 2 chains, then make 2 double crochets. 1, 2, make 2 double crochets. 1, 2. Next make 2 double crochets. 1, 2. The next make 2 double crochets. Chain 1, 2. The next space make 2 double crochets. This is a simple summer skirt. 2 double crochets. Now here you are going to make 2 chains, then you will attach, you will insert your hook on top of this chain 3. Insert your hook and make a slip stitch. In between 2 double crochets you'll make another slip stitch, then make 3 chains, yarn over. In that space you'll make a double crochet, and our chain here we will count it as a double crochet. Chain 1, 2. In between 2 double crochets you will make 2 double crochets. 1, 2. In between double crochets you will make 2 double crochets. 1, 2. In between 2 double crochets, you will make 2 double crochets. 1, 2. In between 2 double crochets, make 2 double crochets. 1, sorry, this one, 2. In between 2 double crochets, make another 2 double crochets. Chain 1, 2. In between 2 double crochets, make another 2 double crochets. Remember, it's a simple summer skirt. One, 2. Make 2 double crochets in the same space. Chain 1, 2. In between 2 double crochets, you'll make 2 double crochets. Chain 1, 2. You will be continuing like this. This is our pattern for our simple summer skirt. And you will work like this all along. And I'm making a mini skirt. 1, 2. In between 2 double crochet, make 2 double crochets. 1, 2. In between 2 double crochets, make 2 double crochets. Continue like this up to the end. I will show you how to finish our end and start another row. Let's meet there. Now we are going to close with a slip stitch, and you are going to close on top of this chain. Remember, we started with the 3 chains, this 1, 2 and 3. Then make a slip stitch on this chain like this. Make another slip stitch in the space. Chain 1, 2, 3. Yarn over and make a double crochet. Chain 1, 2. Continue with 2 double crochet in between 2 double crochets. 2 double crochets in between 2 double crochets, then make 2 chains and 2 double crochet, 2 double crochet in between 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2, 2 double crochet in between 2 double crochet. And this is our pattern for this skirt up to the end. So I'm going to work off camera, and as I mentioned earlier, this is a mini skirt, so we are going to make like 30 rows of 2 double crochet. In between 2 double crochets, we are going to make 30 rows. Let's meet at 30 and see how our skirt looks like. Here is our skirt now. Our 30 rows of 2 double crochet in between 2 double crochets. Now, if you like putting something to tie up your waist, you can go on. For me, I like, that's why I made this, and you can make it also. It's the 150 chains. Now I'm going to tie my skirt here, and you can decide the way you like, but mine I'm going to put into this. It's a simple, very simple to crochet. If you like a summer skirt, go ahead and make it. It's very simple. And here is our skirt. I hope you like it. If you like my video, please thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you guys for choosing Lossy Crochet's Designer. Bye. See you in the next video.